Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about getting off the couch, getting outside, and doing some training walks or hikes. Training hikes is when you go out off-road, off-country, through the woods, up a trail, whatever it is, and generally you're going to have some sort of pack with you. It could be a small one, a little day pack. It could be a big one. Whatever it is, you're going to have extra supplies in there. But the main thing is to get out there and start doing, one of these training hikes. Now, you don't have to carry supplies. You just need to carry weight. So yeah, you can load it up with rocks, or you can put a bunch of canned foods in there, something to give it weight. So you're building up your endurance while doing a training hike. Now, for just doing a training walk, get out there and just start walking around the neighborhood, walking around town. Don't go a leisurely stroll. Put a little speed into it, a brisk walk, and that way you are getting your blood circulating, building your cardio up, and it also gives you a chance to eyeball the neighborhood a little bit differently than driving around. You walk around, you look at things, you can have more time to notice something in particular, and you can look for things that you normally would miss. You're like, oh, there's a creek down here that I never noticed before. Oh, wait a minute, here's some edible plants growing in this open field over here. Things like that. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a skill or two every month, and work on doing an indoor garden. Start out simple, but try growing something so you can get well practiced at it and be able to grow stuff without having a crop failure. Next year we're going to do a indoor garden challenge. And there will be prize gift certificates, gift cards being given out at the end of it. All right? So get your garden going.